we have to make the top view of the solid. So for making the top view of the solid, we have to draw the projectors from the each and every point like this. Okay, I will show you, right? And also you have to draw the projectors from these points A, B, C, D, E and O. So wherever they are cutting, like from O, this is your projector, from O, this is your projector. This point is nothing but the O. From A, this is your projector, from A, this is your projector. So this point is nothing but the A. Similarly, you can get the other points A dash, A1, B1, C1, D1. This is your E1 and this is your O1. So when you're drawing the top view of the solid, okay, which portion is visible and which portion is not visible? How will you decide? I have already told you when we are learning the projection of the solid. When you see it from the top, your O dash A dash will be visible, okay, and this is your triangular face OAB, okay. So OB and E point will be visual to you when you see it from the top, because they are not uh, just below the A point, right? They are uh, so, and also when you see the top, see the solid from the top, your base is also visible. All the points will be visible. This portion is visible to you. So the portion which are visible to you, you can draw it with the help of HB pencil and continuous line. And which portion is not visible, you have to draw it with the help of dash line and HB pencil. Okay. Or what you can do, you will make all the diagram with the help of 2H pencil only, because we have to cut the solid. And after cutting the solid, remaining portion you have to draw with the help of HB pencil, and the portion has uh, which you have to remove, you have to draw it with the help of 2H pencil, right? So first we will draw all the diagram with the help of 2H pencil only. So your base is visible and your this face is visible O1 A1 B1 O1 A1 E1. Your and your two slant edges O dash C dash D dash is not visible. So you will make it with the help of dash line like this. Okay. Now your top view is completed, and this point is also you have to mark it here, right? So this is your now axis. With the help of the red line I have shown here, this is your center line, right? Now by use of vertical section plane, whose ST bisects the top view of the axis. So you have to bisect the top view of the axis. So you can bisect the solid like this also and like this also, right? So how will you decide that you have to cut it like this or you have to cut it like this? So it is given that after cutting the solid, remove its top part. Suppose you are cutting the solid like this, okay. After cutting the solid, you have to remove the portion which is nearer to you. If you cut the solid like this, you have to remove this part, and this part is the bottom of the solid, right? If you cut the solid like this, so this top portion will cut out, right? And you have to remove the top part. So, and this part is nearer to you. So you are fulfilling the requirement of the question. So you have to cut the solid like this. So like this, you can cut the solid. Okay. After cutting the solid, you can see how it is cutting the solid. This section plane is cutting the slant edge OB at this point, OC at this point, OA at this point, and